This browser has one goal that sounds almost impossible today: build a modern browser without depending on Google Chromium, Mozilla Firefox, or Apple Safari. No Chromium Foundation, no Firefox engine, no borrowing somebody else's homework. Just a completely independent browser built from scratch. So, I dug into Ladybird to answer the question, is this the future of open source browsing, or a fascinating project that still isn't ready for everyday use? If you've never heard of Ladybird, that's part of what makes it interesting. Almost every browser today is secretly related. Chrome, Edge, Brave, Arc, Opera, Vivaldi, they're all based on Chromium. Firefox is one of the few major exceptions. Ladybird is trying something far more ambitious, creating an entirely new browser engine from the ground up. That's the browser equivalent of deciding to build your own car engine instead of buying one from Toyota. And developers are paying attention, because many people worry that the web is becoming too dependent on Chromium. If one engine dominates the internet, websites increasingly optimize for that engine, giving Google enormous influence over how the web evolves. Ladybird exists partly as a response to that concern. Ladybird is real. This isn't another crypto-funded vaporware project promising to revolutionize browsing. The team has been making steady progress for years, has attracted significant donations, and publishes development updates regularly. The codebase is fully open source, and the project's goals are refreshingly transparent. But here's the second thing you need to know. It is absolutely not ready to replace Chrome, at least not yet. The browser is still under heavy development. Website compatibility remains inconsistent. Many features users take for granted are still being built or refined. Even the developers themselves have repeatedly emphasized that Ladybird is not currently intended as a daily driver browser. And honestly, that's where many reviews go wrong. People evaluate Ladybird like it's competing with Chrome today. It's not. It's competing with what browsers might look like 5 years from now. When I looked through Reddit discussions, the community seemed surprisingly realistic. Many users praised the ambition and independence of the project. One commenter called it the most important browser project in years because it provides an alternative engine in a world increasingly dominated by Chromium. Others simply appreciated seeing genuine innovation instead of another Chromium reskin with a different logo. But skepticism exists too. Some developers question whether a small independent team can realistically keep pace with modern web standards. Others point out that browser development is one of the hardest software engineering challenges on Earth. Every website, every JavaScript framework, every security patch, every new web standard, Ladybird eventually has to support all of it. That's a monumental task, and the community knows it. So, is Ladybird ready? For normal users, no. For developers, browser enthusiasts, and open source supporters, absolutely worth watching. Because the real value of Ladybird isn't what it can do today. It's what it represents. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe.